Land Rovers with a spare wheel on the bonnet can be particularly heavy. Now this is a military bonnet, a proper one, and I took off the side catches and I'm going to put those back on again for a simple reason, because I haven't got all the mechanism for under here and the cable. So I'm going to put those back on. I think they'll look really cool. But the most important thing that a lot of people miss off are these rubber buffers, and they don't really, you know, they think that they don't do anything, and what you end up with is if you've put checker plate on, the bonnet will rub on the paintwork of the checker plate and it doesn't look very nice. So how do you set them up? How do you get the height right? Well, it's really easy. First of all, you do your corners. You do these end ones here and here, so that when it touches, see that one's a bit wibbly wobbly, so we'll move that down a bit. And what we want to do is we want to feel on there. See, my bonnet hinges are all loose, so I've got to replace those, but that wouldn't make any difference. And this one, you see, that they're nice. But what about the middle ones? Bit of Brit calendar, very important. And put it underneath and see if it'll pull. That one's good. That one's too smart, too loose. So we're going to adjust this one. And this is how you even them up. Getting there. Better, lot better. So that's them done. Lock them up and you're done.